Hello everyone, my name is Sahaj Bhaskar. Today it's my 40th day of practicing spoken English. And you know very well, I speak whatever comes in my mind. I didn't make any notes, I didn't prepare anything. I speak on the spot. So today it's my 40th day. Now, today I will speak about my day. Okay, today I didn't go gym because I woke up early. I woke up late. Actually, generally I wake up at 6 a.m. But today I woke up at 8 a.m. And when my eyes opened, then I saw time, and I was late for my job. So I prepared myself fastly. I getting dressed very fast, and then had a meal, had a morning meal, which includes one glass of milk and some fruits like banana, sometimes apple, sometimes mango, whatever the food is available at the time. So I had pre-workout meal and then directly went to the work. Directly headed to the work, and I reached work after 10 minutes. It means I was getting late for about 10 minutes, but it's okay. They allowed me to late at least 10 minutes, but after that they will they will take they will take as half day of my work. Okay, so I reached my time, and then it's Sunday morning, and still 35 vehicles left for achieve the target, and we were very worried about that. How can we achieve this target? And uh, in the mid of the day, at 2 a.m. at 2 a.m. 35 targets are left, and at 2 a.m. only 10 vehicles sold. Only 10 vehicles sold, and still we had 25 target, 25 sales of scooter left. Now we worried more about that. How can we achieve this target? Because if we are not able to achieve the target, we cannot qualify the incentive. After achieving the target, they will give lots of incentive by achieving the target. So I remember at 2 p.m. or to 3 p.m. there is 25 scooters or bike still left for sale, and at the time of the closed of the showroom, we achieved the target. You can't believe me, between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. we sold 25 scooters. We sold 25 scooters and bikes both. Before 5 p.m. we sold only 10 vehicles. But after 5 p.m., between this 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., we sold 25 scooters and we achieved the target. And now, right now, I am ecstatic. I am feeling very happy about the target achieved, because if we are left by 2 or 3 vehicles, we are left targeted by 2 or 3 vehicles, we feel very sad, we feel worst about that. So now nothing happened at that much. So today I achieved the target, and it is the last day of the month. Now from tomorrow they will give us new target, and we work for it. We will work for it, and we will give our 100% to achieve that target. Now you can see 4 minutes are completed. Now remaining 6 minutes are left. So I am walking on my roof by wearing garments, wearing undergarments, and I am alone in my room. My parents went to my cousin sister wedding. They will come back after 3 to 4 days, and for 3 to 4 days I am alone at my home. So today I decided in the afternoon what should I cook. So after this video, after this recording, I will go to the shop and buy some eggs for me. And I cook omelette very well. It means I am perfection in this. I am perfection to cook omelette. And I don't know how to make rotis, how to make chapati. So I will purchase it from the nearby restaurant. And they charge at least 4 rupees per roti. And I will purchase 5 rupees. It means it costs up to 20 rupees. Now it's 6 minutes completed. Still I have 4 minutes left to speak. Now I will speak like an interview questions. Okay. So first, if I will go for an interview and they will ask me question about the why should we hire you, then I will say that you should definitely hire me because I am fully passionate about my work. I am adaptable, self-assured, and have ability to make quick and accurate decision. And I also have strong communication skill, confident, and I will give my 100% to growth of this organization, and I contribute positively to the team and the organization. This answer is will given by me when I will go for an interview. Now, next question, important question. Tell me about strength. What is your strength and weakness? My strengths are I am adaptable, I am amiable, and I am decisive and resilient person. Which means I always eager to learn. I am here to learn, grow, and contribute positively to the team and the organization. Now they will ask about the question why should we hire you is okay, and then the very next question is it didn't came in my mind. It don't come in my mind. Okay, why should we hire you? Oh wow, why you join international voice process? I joined international voice process because it give me opportunity to talk, to communicate, to interact with international customers. So I can learn their culture and perspective. So it not only improve my communication skills, it allow me to understand their culture and perspective. And I want to explore. I want to learn how different type of peoples, different and their different religion, different culture, and different perspective. I want to know about that. Now, and then they will ask about tell me about yourself. This is a basic question. I can give interview simply. Hello, my name is Sahej Bhaskar. I hail from Bareilly district of Uttar Pradesh. Right now, I am staying in Sector 22 Gurgaon, and it's also technology and corporate sector. I always try to. I have completed my class 12 from Kendra Vidyalaya Sector 4, and I am amiable, articulate, and resilient person. I am always eager to learn. My interest include I am a tabla player, not a professional level player, but more than beginner, and I always eager to learn. I read novels and articles on a daily basis to enhance my spoken English and improve my vocabulary also. And then I also love to travel to different places. I visited Simla last month, and it was my great experience that I have experienced, and it was mesmerizing place, tranquil and serene place. And I also talk to communicate with the people. I have strong communication skills, adaptable, self-assured, and have ability to make quick and accurate decision. So definitely you should hire me because I have these abilities and I have all the relevant skills that is requirement for this job. I possess key roles requirement for this job, key skills requirement for this job. Okay, now you can see 10 minutes completed. So today I made mistakes, but I speak like a fluency, and today I feel confident, and I didn't take too much time to think. I didn't take too much pause between the sentences, between the communication, between speak something.